I am thrilled to announce the release of Tracepusher version 0.8.0. Once again, this release, we couldn't have done it without the contributors. There were 7 new contributors in this release, and all of the new features and bug fixes, pretty much all of them, were contributed by those users. So thank you again very much to those users. The big news is the inclusion of standalone binaries. So prior to 0.8.0, you had to install Python or you had to run Tracepusher via a Docker image. Now you can just download a single binary. That should hopefully make everything a lot more simple to integrate with any of your tooling. So the next new feature, again, a user, was the ability to set the duration type for a span. So prior to 0.8.0, you only got the option of pushing seconds. Now you can push milliseconds, so that precision of your spans can be that much more precise. You can push a span that's, for example, 50 milliseconds long. So the next new feature is the span kind. Prior to this release, the span was an internal type span and you couldn't set anything else. Now you can set it to anything you like. So any valid span type Tracepusher will work with. So again, the big news, the self-contained binaries. So if you have been using Tracepusher with the Docker image or indeed running the raw Python, we still build those, but I strongly recommend you try out the standalone binaries. I think you'll find them make your life a lot easier. So once again, a community effort. Thank you so much to everyone who got involved. If you are new to Tracepusher or you want to get involved in an open source project, we'd love to have you along. So come check us out. See you again next time.